Hi guys, we want to find the value of x given that you have 5 to the power of x plus x equals 2. Let's have it to the solution. Now from here, we have 5 to the power of x. Let's take this one to the other side. We have it to be 2 minus x. Then from here, let's divide through by 5 to the power of x. Then let's divide through by 5 to the power of x. Definitely, this and this will cancel. So we have 1 to be equals 2 minus x divided by 5 to the power of x. So let us rearrange this expression as two minus x divided by 5 to the power of x equals 1. But according to law of indices, when you have 1 divided by a to the power of m, this equals as when you have a to the power of minus m. So let us apply it here. We are going to have 2 minus x. Let's bracket it as this. Then multiply by 5 to the power of minus x to be equals 1. Then from here, let's recall that when you have e to the power of ln of a, this will give you back your a. That's the relationship between the exponent and natural log. So by applying it here, when you have e to the power of ln of 5 to the power of minus x, this will give you back to the 5 to the power of minus x. So by applying it here, we can see that we are going to have 2 minus x. Then we have e to the power of ln of 5 to the power of minus x equals 1. Then let this power come to the base as 2 minus x, then multiply by e to the power of minus x ln of 5 to be equals 1. Then we want to do a little bit of manipulation. You see we have negative x here, we have negative here, fine. But we have ln 5 here, we didn't have ln 5 here. So now, let's multiply through by e to the power of ln 2. So let us multiply through by this e. So let us multiply through by this in order to have something look at this, both based on the power. So we are going to have 2 minus x, then multiply by e to the power of minus x, this ln 5, multiply by this again, e to the power of ln 5. Then we are multiplying it through. We are going to have here to be again as e to the power of 2 ln 5. Now, from here, this one has the same base, but different power. So we can have this as 2 minus x, e to the power of, from here we can factor this as 2 minus x, ln 5 to be equals e to the power of 2 ln 5. Then we have ln 5 here. We didn't have it here because we want to make sure that the power and the base are the same for this left hand side. So let us multiply 2 by ln 5. So we have 2 minus x ln 5, then multiply by e to the power of 2 minus x ln 5 equals, we are multiplying through by ln of 5. Here will be also ln 5 multiplied by e to the power of 2 ln 5. Then, having known this one, we want to introduce something we call W Lambert function. And that one says that when you have the W Lambert function of a multiplied by e to the power of a, this will give you back your a. So we want to multiply it by this w and see what will happen. So we have this as this. Then let's multiply it through by W Lambert function, as W Lambert function of the whole of this will be 2 minus x ln 5 e to the power of x minus 2 ln 5. We close it as this to be equals W Lambert function of this ln 5 e to the power of 2 ln 5. We close it as this. But according to this W Lambert function, when you have W Lambert function of a multiplied by e to the power of a, this will give you back your a. So the logic behind this is that so far the base and the power is the same, the output will be either of the one. So by applying it here, the base and the power are the same for this left hand side. So the output will now be equals 2 minus x ln 5 equals W Lambert function of ln 5 e to the power of 2 ln of 5. So from here, we have this. Let's divide 2 by this ln of 5. So this and this will cancel. We have 2 minus x to be equals W Lambert function of ln of 5, then multiplied by e to the power of 2 ln of 5 as this, then divided by ln of 5. But from here, we have this x. Let's take this x to the other side and take this whole of this to here. So we're going to have it as s equals 2 minus W Lambert function of ln of 5, then multiplied by e to the power of 2 ln of 5. We close it, then divided by ln of 5. So this is the final answer for the value of x. If you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Finally, you can have this as s equals, let's multiply 2 by ln 5. So this will be 2 ln of 5 minus W of ln of 5 e to the power of 2 ln of 5. We close it, then the whole of it divided by ln of 5. Bye bye.